7 things the wealthy do that regular people don't. Do you realize that you have the potential to be very rich? You may be thinking, no, I don't have a good enough job, or no, I don't earn enough. Well, we are here to tell you that everyone can be rich. It's just a matter of mindset, how you spend your money and time, and how much you are willing to put in the work. Rich people do not do a lot of things very differently than regular people. Small differences combined make huge differences, and you could do this too. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Good day everyone and welcome to our channel. Here are the 7 things the rich do that regular people don't. Number 1, money is working for them, they don't work for money. The most basic tip of them all, they don't work hard for money just to splash the cash as soon as the weekend is here or when they see something they want to buy. They work hard for money to further use that money to make even more money. For example, by investing, using it on their own business or using it on assets that will make them more money further down the line. A rental property or something else that will always rise in value, for example. You see, they think long-term, not short-term, at least most of the time. This allows them to always stay ahead financially. Number 2, they don't increase their spendings in line with their earnings. Many people have the mindset that the more they earn, the nicer things they can buy, right? Yes, that might be true, but increasing your spendings in line with your earnings set you back to the exact same place you were before you started earning more. This is called lifestyle inflation. Imagine earning more, but not spending more. You would have so much money left over that paying the bills would never be a problem. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? The biggest trap that people fall into when they start earning more is feeling the need to show it off to other people, when in reality, people really won't care as much as you might think. We at 7 Cash believe one of the best things you can do when you start to earn more is to invest or save more, not spend more. Basically, buy something when you need it, don't just buy something because you can. You'll find yourself with so much more money left over. Number 3, investing in different markets, because they understand the world is constantly changing. By investing in different markets, we mean investing in new opportunities that are coming. Examples would be technology companies in the 80s, 90s and 2000s. Renewable energy and electric car companies in the 2010s and crypto in late 2010s and early 2020s. Don't always be afraid to take a chance, especially when a new sector is beginning to prove its worth. Millionaires, billionaires, and investors are aware that the world is constantly changing. This means that there will be a need for new sectors about every 10 years for different reasons. Take a risk once in a while. If you're enjoying this video so far, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like. Thank you so much in advance. Number 4, rich people read a lot. Rich people love improving themselves in every aspect. One of the best ways to improve yourself is to learn new things, be reflective and always be open to constructive criticism. To improve all 3 of these, the best method would be to read books. The categories they love the most are self-improvement, biographies about successful people, educational topics. According to Thomas Corley, 85% of self-made millionaires read 2 or more books per month. There are a bunch of books we would recommend starting with, but to shorten it down, here are our 3 best. Tim Ferriss, 4-Hour Work Week. Charles Duhigg, The Power of Habit. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. Number 5, they think in terms of new ideas. By this we mean that if they spot a problem or something inefficient in their daily lives, they think in terms of solutions. Maybe something is costing them valuable extra time to do every day, and so they are already on it trying to solve it or find a better solution. This mindset is engraved within them and might be exhausting, but also extremely valuable. We believe a lot of people have this mindset without even realizing it. Have you ever had to support a friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, or a family member? Sometimes all they need is just someone to tell them that everything's going to be alright or just a shoulder to cry on. But you might be sitting there telling them all your ideas or tips to solve their problems. This is a sign that you're already thinking solutions without realizing. Number 6, they set goals and execute them. One of their best traits is that they are very good at executing the goals they set for themselves. Have you ever told yourself that you'll do what you were supposed to do today, tomorrow? They don't do this, at least most of the time. They set a goal, work towards it, and crush it. Next time you set a goal you want to achieve, do these things before even starting to work towards it. Write this down. 1. What you want to achieve. 2. Why you want it. 3. How you're going to get there. By doing this, you've given yourself a game plan that is much easier to follow. Instead of telling yourself that you'll do the work some other time, you now have these written words in front of you that will make you feel bad if you don't do it. That's a good thing and will naturally motivate you. Some other tips for this topic include cleaning and tidying your workspace for a better work environment. Journaling your day and setting smaller goals to execute throughout your day. Number 7. Don't feel sorry for themselves, they know that they are responsible for their own future. Probably our favorite one and also the most honest one. These people know that they are responsible for their own future. We all are. Some just feel more sorry for themselves than others. They blame everything and everyone else but themselves. We of course understand that you just might be extremely unlucky, but the point is to not give up and keep on trying. Here are our best tips for improving this bad habit. 1. Zoom out and ask yourself, are there anyone out there having a tougher time than me? 2. Follow-up question, what are 3 things I should be grateful for but often take for granted? 3. Just breathe. Lie down, close your eyes, and just breathe for a few minutes. Try to empty your mind for once. There's a very valuable tip we once learned from our teacher. He told us it's called the 4-4 rule. Here it is, inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds and repeat this 4 times. This will help you calm down. 4. Find a lesson or opportunity in the situation you currently find yourself in. 5. Do something for someone else, tell a loved one that you love them or give them a hug. This helps you realize that not everything is about yourself in this world. Appreciate your time here. 6. Imagine what you believe your future will look like. We hope you enjoyed our video and we hope we have inspired you to improve yourself. Please leave a like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Remember to not be afraid to fail, you learn from your mistakes. Thank you so much for watching, we hope to see you again.